Hi, my name is Dr. Stephanie Idjadi. I'm a physical therapist in the Great Neck location at Reddy-Care Physical Therapy. Today I'm going to be speaking to you guys about some stretches that you could do if you are getting into cycling or when the weather is getting nicer out, you want to get onto a bike. I have Jackie here today to help us out and show us a few stretches. So can you get down on the ground, and you're going to put one leg in front of the other like that. Okay, and can you put this hand on your hip? Okay, and reach up with this arm, look up straight, and lean forward with this leg. So you want to feel this stretch right here, and keep this arm straight. Good. So right now we are doing the hip flexor stretch. So we're getting a stretch along here, and also getting a stretch along the lats back here. So you hold this position 30 seconds, repeat 3 times each side. And the next stretch we're going to do, you're going to lay on your stomach, put your feet together, and grab your ankles back here, rest your head on the ground. So she's going to feel the stretch along the front side of her thigh here. Hold for 30 seconds, stretch both quads out at the same time. Make sure the feet and the knees are together. This way you get both quads at the same time. We are using a stretching band here. At home, if you don't have one of these, you can use a towel up here. And you want to keep this leg straight, knee down, and foot pointing towards you. Stretch out the hamstring. 30 seconds, 3 times each side. Next thing you're going to do, grab behind your knee, your thigh here, and pull your knee into your chest, keeping this leg down. We're stretching out the glute here. Again, 30 seconds, 3 times. You should feel it in the back pocket region. And the last stretch we're going to do, you're going to grab your leg and put your both hands over here and bring this knee to your chest. So you're stretching out the back pocket region, the piriformis right here. 30 seconds, 3 times each side. Over here we have Jackie in a biking position. We're trying to replicate the position, and in this position I'm going to explain to you why we are doing every stretch. So the hip flexor position that we had in the split stance position, so when you're seated for a long period of time, you are kind of tightening that muscle up. And if you're in that seated position for a prolonged period of time, the hip flexor tightens up. And that's why we do the stretch for the hip flexor, to open up that area. Another muscle that often tightens up when you're seated for a prolonged period of time is the piriformis muscle in the back pocket region. And that is why we do that stretch with putting the leg across the body and to the opposite shoulder when you're laying down on your back. The quad, the hamstring, and the glute max muscles, they typically tighten up when you're trying to propel forward, just because you are using those muscles. So that is why we do those stretches. These are just a few quick stretches that you could do at home if you are looking to get onto a bike. But again, every patient is different, and there are different stretches that you may benefit from that we didn't show you in this video. So if you want to come in for a consultation and see where you're tight, see where you're weak, we'll be happy to help.